make me go so loco, loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it yes, is it no, is it maybe?
Got money now, you done switched up on me. I used to think about how you been acting when a nigga got money now, you done switched up on me. Now you gon' say what's up to me. Okay, so now you gon' make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me.
First day out. Got a little sunlight view. Action. Look at that skin on that melanin. Looking gorgeous. The roads are clear. Well, most of the highway is, and up in town it's clear, but on certain roads it's a little icy. You can see me now, but it's still, the sun is still out, and I'm out. I'm enjoying the day out. The grocery stores are still packed with no food. I don't understand it, but yeah. And we've been in the house all week, so. Oh, you call?
I'm now finna. You straight. I'm finna call. See if they got some gas.
Yeah, we riding around looking for some gas. They running out of gas. They ran out of gas. Places. Who is that? Dang, no one is answering the phone. That don't make no sense. How can you run out of gas? We done went to mostly every gas station. It is so packed. I don't know if you can see the parking lot. Like, it's crazy. Picking up pizza. First day out. Been in the house 7 days. They still not answering. I feel so out of place. It's my first time feeling like this since I've been in the house all week. I'm looking at all these people like, oh my God. People everywhere. Like the end of the world. So now, we're about to run in this store. Well, Christy is about to run in this store and get us some stuff that we need, and hopefully we make it home safe where we are before we run out of gas.
Hey, do you guys have some gas?
What's that? Nah, we ain't got no regular gas.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
We got
Fuck.
What place was that?
6.
I guess everybody. How can we run out of gas?
Hello?
Do you guys have gas?
Yeah, we have gas.
Yeah, it's so packed over here at Dollar General. It's like a war zone. I need to put some Carmex on my lip. Just getting out for today. I've been in the house all week. I know I didn't say it like 1,000 times, but I have. The last time I been out was like right before all this snow dropped, and that was probably like February the, I don't know, 10th maybe. And I was like, it ain't no need for me to grab nothing because I don't think it's gonna snow, because it never snowed down here. And boom, got proven wrong. So it snowed and got stuck in the house, and only was stuck with a few items, but we made it work because that's what we do. That's what we good at. Just for years, like just surviving and making things work with what we have. We've been doing it for years. Just making something out of nothing. We have some canned food. Had a few packs of meat in the freezer. a little nothing, maybe some fish and I don't know, some chicken breast. But I was thankful for that because some people wasn't fortunate, you know, enough to have anything, you know. Dang, that was fat. You didn't get the laundry detergent?
They ain't got enough of it.
Why you didn't get any? Why you didn't?
I said I was going to get some rent. They ain't haven't got home.
Oh, they probably don't have no laundry detergent.
Probably not.
But yeah. Just out waiting on our pizza to get done. And I'm just watching my back. I'm like always watching my surroundings. People just be staring at me and I don't be knowing. I be like, waiting on our pizza. And Chris ran in the store to get some laundry detergent because we ran out of some household stuff too, as well as food. But yeah, just sitting here waiting. I'm ready to go home so I can wash my hands. Like, I don't touch over a lot of tongue tie. I don't touch a lot of items in the store because I just don't. I feel because everyone touching on stuff, sneezing and stuff. I normally get Chris to like grab it for me. But I'm just ready to go home and just take a good bath. Oh my God. So while I'm sitting here talking, if y'all still watching, thank you. I love you. I appreciate y'all. But it's story time. Okay, so you know all this stuff going on with the snow and with the power and all this stuff, as they say. Oh my God, that's a nice view. Look at the birds. I want to show y'all so bad. Like, oh my God, it's so nice. Let me get this view. But we ordered some stuff online doing the you know, with the snow or whatever, just being in and not able to leave. We did the Kroger, the Instacart, I think. You get the order online and they deliver it to you. Well, let me tell you, I'm hungry sitting at home on our last meal, and I'm like, okay, after starving, I'm sitting there. The next day, I was like, let's just order something, you know, maybe it'll come the next day. And we was on the app, like, just putting stuff in our cart, because we normally shop at Kroger anyways, but we decided to do it online because we can go anywhere. But I'm just fun because I'm looking around, y'all. But anyways, we ordered online and they say, okay, we done put our order in, we done, you know, paid for it, and I keep getting interrupted. We paid for it, and how about they're gonna say, okay, it's gonna come Thursday, it's gonna get delivered Thursday. Okay, Wednesday night, I'm like, okay, well, we're not gonna have to starve anymore. We're gonna get our food Thursday. And they said it may be around 11, and then they sent a message saying, okay, it's gonna be around 12. Okay, an hour later, it sent a message saying it's going to be around 2. And I'm like, okay, I think they just, you know, it's not gonna come at all. So I'm like, it's going on 4 o'clock, and I'm like, at this point, they close early. They close at 6. So I'm like, they just gonna keep sending a message, or auto message, whatever it's saying, it's gonna come at 5, and it's gonna come at 6, and then it's gonna be like eventually, well, we didn't have enough delivery drivers, so it's gonna come the next day. And I'm like, what's the point of me ordering online when the next day the snow is gonna be melted, you know? So it was pointless. You interrupted my story.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm like, what's the point of that? But y'all took the money off so fast. I'm like, if y'all knew it wasn't going to be any delivery drivers, why would you say that? Like, people are hungry. You playing with people, you know, stomach. Like, I have a whole, well, I can't say a whole baby to feed because she don't eat food, solids yet. But still, don't be doing that, and you know you done took our money off the card and you wasn't gonna bring it. And it just hurt me. You know, it's a disappointment because I love Kroger. I love shopping at Kroger. I spend so much money with them, and we called, no one answered. We had to go through customer service with someone over, I don't know, she don't work at Kroger, but, and we finally got in touch with someone, and she got in touch with the people at the store, which I didn't understand why we couldn't. And eventually, like swinging my baby in the house. Don't play with me.
She don't play. Hey, all right. You don't play by her, do.
But yeah, I'm like, why we can't get in touch with y'all? And so finally got our money back the next day. And then after, and what's so the funny part is they sent me a survey to do. Like
roasted.
Like, why would you send me a survey? I didn't even get my groceries. I had to come out in this crazy mess to like get my own groceries. Yeah. Like, this was my first time doing this. Like, I thought it was gonna be fun.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, you know, a lot of places they let it know on the website, or they would answer the phone and let a person know.
Yeah,
like,
at least
we're not delivering.
Yeah, they'll let a person know.
You know, who knows if they have somebody with a truck out delivering it? You know, we know it's snow on the ground, but who knows if they have somebody with a truck to deliver the food or anything, you know. So, I mean, it lets you order it.
But don't lead nobody on. Don't lie. Like, at least answer the phone. Like, I was going to be sitting there starving, waiting on
we waited
groceries.
A couple of days thinking it was going to come. But, you know.
But I hate to say this and do this because I love Kroger. We spend so much money with Kroger. We always in there, like, all the time. But that was my first time wanting to try it out, and it's just crazy for my first time to be like this. It was like a slap in the face, you know. And then, like, the customer service, it was terrible. So I hate to put this up, but I'm in my feelings, and it was disappointing. So, oh well. Hopefully next time it will be better, you know. And maybe it's just this location, I don't know. But yeah, we headed home, by the way. So I will see you when I get there. I think this was a bad idea.
Well, you scared. Don't be scared.
Oh, rolling down this big old hill on this ice. Then it's a bigger one.
What they said, don't be sorry, ho, be careful.
Oh my God. I am scared. We finna go down this big old hill.
I'm gonna show you how to drive in the snow.
He swear he knows how to drive.
Watch this. Look, I'm gonna show you, man. Put your gear over like this. Look, I'm gonna show you.
I'm scared. So we just made it home. I'm changed, comfortable. Mama, what you doing? Playing with your socks? Trying to get your socks off? Yeah, my baby is teething. I bought her some teethers. But oh my God, it is 6:23. We've been out all day, and it feels great being away from here. Oh my God, my eczema, look over it. I got a lot of stuff, but I'm just gonna rush through this because I have to eat something and I need to feed my baby. Okay, so look at my flowers. They're still looking nice. I think they're called mums. I think I'm saying it right. M-U-M-S. I think that's how you spell it. But I bought this because it's time for another warmer for my baby. Like, look at this. Oh my God, it's a mess. Got some garbage bags for her Jeannie. Call her some. Oh my God, I love these shoes. I caught them on sale for $3, y'all. You cannot beat that. $3. She over there just talking down. She know I'm talking about her. Mommy, I got you some shoes. I really enjoyed today. I had fun being out. I really needed that. I got me some makeup remover, Aveeno. This is really good. It's a nice brand. It works good on my skin since it's sensitive. It works really good. I haven't been wearing makeup in a while, but I'm going to wear it. And I bought me some eyebrow, some brow definers by L'Oreal. Yeah. And they already been wiped down. I normally wipe this stuff down. Yeah, here you go. I use the wipes. But I bought my baby some teethers because she's teething and she's chewing on everything. I love this brand. Just got to sanitize it. Got some containers to continue to organize my bathroom. Of course, just some little sweets. This is not mine. This is Chrissy loves this. I don't like it fast. Break. I don't like it. But I've been wanting some M&M's lately for some reason. And I got me some facial cleansing pads. This is really nice to have. I have me a little brush to do my face. Of course, I got my baby some Tide. Oh no, this is the All brand. This is the best brand because the drip really breaks her out. She has sensitive skin like her mommy. That's not for me, that's Chris. And I got some brioche buns. We're gonna make some burgers and some hand sanitizer soap. This is a good brand. I was looking for something else, but they didn't have it. Like I said, in the stores, they were just so empty. We could only find what we could, you know, what was left. And got some Lay's. This is Chris. And I got this thing. Yeah, when I say I love this one, I really don't buy anything much with Parents' Choice. No diapers or anything. But I do like this one. I think that's what it... The bottle brush, yeah. I like this bottle brush by them. It works really good on her bottles. Like, it lasts for a good amount of time too. So this is the second one that we done bought. And of course, I got me some Cetaphil. And I love this brand. Me and my baby use this brand. Very natural with few ingredients, and you can wash your clothes in it and all that good stuff. This is Dr. Bronner's. It's really good. This is really good. I've been using it since I have sensitive skin, my eczema. And look at the ingredients. Like, you can read it, you can understand it. You know, where is it? Oh yeah, it's on the front. It has organic, come on, focus. Organic coconut oil, palm oil. It's very simple, like, and you know what it is. And I love this brand. It works good on me and my baby. And I got her some Aveeno eczema therapy moisturizing cream. Yeah, it works good on her. And of course, my favorite wipes, the Hella Bella, works really good. I always buy her this brand. And I think everything else is put up. This is the freezer now. We did just have just some thighs in here. I'm so blessed to have what we have. Got some turkey, turkey burgers by Butterball, best brand to get ever. They didn't have any other kind, and I don't recommend it at the time because I really don't like beef. Really give me so much fleas and stuff. But I have the toast and Alfredo, some wings, and that's pretty much it. But I got me 2 shirts, was on sale, just some lounge wear because I'm always in the house. I'm gonna wash that before I put that on. I really think it's nice. Walmart be having some good deals. You have to just catch them. Yeah. And also I have bought me some shoes. Normally I would wait to get some on sale because they normally be on sale, like for I don't know if you can see it, I'm in the dark. Yeah, these are the shoes I bought. Normally they be on sale around winter time, but I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy them so I won't have to buy any more shoes. Bought me a lot of sandals because I'm a sandal type of girl, flats type of girl. I don't really care too much for tennis shoes, so yeah, that's what I got myself. Oh, it feel. And got her the Hella Bella. I love this brand. Or if not the Hella Bella, I would get her Honest. And it's ratified down here. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. And I'm gonna get me something to eat in my belly and feed my baby as always. Thanks for watching. And oh my god,
I just got, oh man, excuse me. Look like I'm sweating.
It's not sweat, that's water.
Yeah,
So
my hair hold a lot of moisture.
look at me, look at my face, look at my skin. But it is what it is. This is the realness, not the fakes. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in another vlog. Bye.
I know you thought we had something special, but you mean nothing.